In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for managing your daily tasks. Trello is a powerful tool that can help streamline your workflow, whether you're collaborating with a team or managing your personal to-do list. Let's walk through each step to get you started. First, let's head over to Trello.com. This is where all the magic starts. You can either hit the enter button or click on the link if you're already there. On the Trello homepage, you'll find a seamless user interface that makes organizing tasks a breeze. If you don't already have an account, now is the time to sign up. You can log in using your Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack account, or simply use an email address to access your Trello workspace. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace. Your workspace is the hub of all your boards, and within this area, we're going to create a new board. Look around for the Create a New Board button. It's usually pretty prominent, ensuring that you can start organizing right away. Click on it. Trello offers an amazing opportunity to start with a template. This is highly recommended if you're new to the platform or if you just want to save some time setting things up. Click on Start with a template to access a variety of pre-designed boards that can cater to different needs. Now let's explore the templates. You'll see a myriad of options available, from simple to complex boards designed for all kinds of task management needs. There's a search bar that can help narrow down your options. Type Daily Task Management Template into the search bar. This template is a great choice for managing daily activities because it usually comes preloaded with features that facilitate tracking and prioritizing tasks on a day-to-day basis. After you've found the right template, click on Use Template. This action will automatically create a board based on your chosen template. This is where you can start building out your task management system. Feel free to customize and edit the template as needed to fit your specific requirements. Trello allows you to drag and drop cards, add labels and due dates, and categorize tasks to streamline your daily operations effectively. Personalizing your board will make it more functional and tailored to your needs. Adjust colors, rename lists, and create custom task cards to suit your workflow. If you're collaborating with a team, you can invite members to join and work alongside you in real time. By following these steps, you've now set up a practical and efficient system to manage your daily tasks using Trello. Whether for personal use or team projects, this visual platform will help boost your productivity and keep you organized. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.